Did you know you can turn today's hottest stories? Imagine spotting a trending topic on Google News and turning this trend into a machine. Sounds so good, right? So in this very video, I want to simply show you my extra step-by-step tutorial for spotting trend. Okay, all you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is John Francis. Hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to turn Google News into cash using my secret trend hunting method. Okay, the first step is to spot the trend topic. Okay, so if you go to Google Trend or you go to Google News, this is Google Trend here. So I'm going to simply be targeting United States. We want to target countries with high buying power and also countries that can help us get higher CPM. Okay, click on Explore. Under the Explore, you're going to simply go ahead and add your own specific topic. Okay, on this Explorer, this is where you can add your own specific topic. Okay, but if you want to explore what is trending right now at the moment, just click on this trending now. Okay, then by relevance, we want to target by search volume. Okay, so we want those that are being searched right now, right? So those ones with higher search volume, we want to go for them. For instance, this is the one with higher search volume here: blood moon total lunar eclipse tonight. This is over 1 million views in the last 20 hours. Okay, so if there are only 5 platforms that are offering this content, and that means the 5 platforms are sharing this 1 million views in the last 20 hours. Okay, so if 5 people are sharing it, that's going to be giving them over 200,000 visitors each. Okay, if 5 platforms are sharing it. Okay, and if you come in, then you're going to simply take share of the view and also the traffic. Okay, pick trending topic that people are searching currently. For instance, this one, I think I have to go with this one. So when you find this trending topic right now, then go over to Google News. All right, then go to the home page. Under Google News, go to the home page, paste that particular keyword here. Let's see what people are saying about this. You can see right here: blood moon total lunar eclipse tonight. Okay, what time? This one said blood moon total eclipse tonight. Okay, this one Central Time, California, Arizona, what time, USA, Los Angeles, map, and lots more. Okay, just search for this. Just search for that. When you search for that, you can see these posts are made just few hours ago, right? This one was made 7 hours ago. This one's yesterday, 15 hours. That means this is trending at the moment. Okay, and people are utilizing this very strategy. When you find a trending topic here, then go ahead and ascertain it. If people are writing about that, you can see they're not really much. Okay, and all you need to do is simply make use of this very opportunity. And when you copy this topic, then head over to this very platform right here. This is an auto blogging website, and it's going to simply help you make content and then publish this on your blog website. You can also add some affiliate links, and this is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires you to put in the work. If you don't put in the work and get consistent with it, you might not make money right from. For you to get this platform, just click the link in the video description. The first link in the video description is going to simply give you this very website. Okay, all right, you can see right here, this is the amount of blog I've already generated for this site and the amount of credit I have. Okay, remember, you can purchase this, you can purchase the credit, but you can also use the free plan for it. Okay, when you exhaust your own free plan, you can as well go ahead and migrate to a paid plan. It's not really costly. All right, so this is going to simply help you auto blog. So if you come over to this section that says blogs, let's click on blogs. So then you click on this create new blog. You can simply convert YouTube videos to blog website, Vimeo to blog, Rumble to blog, TikTok to blog, and lots more. All right, you can convert audios to blog as well. Okay, as you can see right here, right? And a single prompt can also give you a blog. All right, so we need to do right now, simply click on this, type your own idea right here and all of that. Okay, so let's click on that. And another thing you have to do right now is simply add the prompts. Okay, alright, so generate a full detailed latest article on this trending topic. Then when you add that, then the custom instruction is optional. Then give credit to the content creator. We are not giving credit to any content creator because we're not copying from anybody. We want to write our own original content. Okay, so that it won't be like a duplicate content. Okay, I would advise you to make sure you write your own content by yourself. Alright, so let's scroll down here. You're gonna see we have autopilot, we have copilot. Okay, select this one, then blog point of view first person, then blog to natural. Okay, blog optimization, you can select similar and SEO optimized. Let's select SEO optimized so that it will be optimized for SEO for it to rank. Okay, remember, any blog that is coming here is already ranking on Google, right? So we're going to simply be using these two is going to simply help you a lot, and I'll drop a link in the video description. That then for the language, English is okay. Then you can add SEO keyword if you want to add SEO keyword. Then use AI generated SEO keyword. That is what I want. You can simply put this. Okay, select this, then global. Then for the publish section, you can publish. You want to publish to WordPress. Okay, then click on this WordPress. You can see right here, this is wordpress.org and this one is wordpress.com. This is the page WordPress, which is the main WordPress itself that all professional websites are using. Okay, this one is just like a normal landing page template. Okay, you don't have to use that. Okay, then select this one, which is this second one here. If you already built your website and it's fully optimized, just like this one right here. Okay, so let's go back here, select that. When you select that, then come here, click on connect. So all you need to do right now, simply go ahead and download this plugin. Scroll down, click on this download button. So under that, click on this add new plugin. Click on upload plugin, select file, click on install. We're going to activate it. Okay, section, copy this token here, go back to your website, go to settings right here, and you're going to see this plugin. Click on the plugin and paste the token here. Click on save changes. All right, so the token has been added and it has been connected successfully. All right, so this is time for us to auto block with this very stuff right now. Okay, then come over to this section right here, come back to the website, then click on this, click on publish as selected. You can see this one has been selected already, and make sure that the details you added there are still the same. Okay, you can see everything is still the same, and we're going to simply click on this section that says generate. Click on generate block. Just give it a while, it's going to simply do the work for you. So if you're getting value from this video, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon. Don't forget to join us on the Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do here. If you don't have a blog website, a standard blog website for yourself, get a developer that will do that. If you don't have one, just join us on the Telegram channel, chat me up from there. My team are going to simply handle all of these things for you. So let's allow this to load. It is coming up. Okay, all right, so we are ready, and this is SEO metric over 78. Okay, this is cool, and even if you refresh it, it's still going to simply give you the same. You can show right here, these are the keyword over 78%, and you can see right here, this is the summary. These are the keywords that they've already given us for this very topic. All right, so this is the hashtag, this is the meta tags, and all of that. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and copy this. Let's click on this Rate Food blog. You can see the blog is well written. It's over 2,000 words. Okay, we're going to simply go ahead and integrate this to our blog website. Then click on this, select the one you've already connected, and you're going to simply click on publish now, or you publish as draft. Okay, on this, so we want to publish it now. Just click on this publish now. But before we publish it, let's check if the post is already on our website. To see, click on this view site. You can see nothing is here. If you click on this refresh button, the post is not here. Okay, so let's go back here, click on this publish, queue for publishing. It's published successfully. All right, so let's see what is going to happen now, since they said it's publishing and this one said published successful. So let's go to the website to see. Click on this refresh button. Oh, okay, so good one. You can see right here, Bennett, the blood, blah blah blah, and this has been published. Let's click on read more. Okay, you can see this is how it looks like, but the only thing that is left here is the banner image, which is not really a big deal. Okay, you can see right here they added some links here. Go ahead and edit this particular post, then make sure we add featured images. Click on this edit post. Okay, then you can see SEO and readability are all just okay. Then the next thing we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and click on featured image, then go to instant images. Remember, I've already told you how to install this instant image plugin. When you install that, it's going to simply work for you. Right, so let's search for let's say moon or eclipse. Let's search for moon. Remember the type of images that they're using here. This is just like let's say planets stuff right here. Okay, moon and all of that. Okay, so let's go back here, let's search for this. Scroll down, you can see this is a good one. This is what we have now, and I'm going to simply pick something that is more interesting. I think I like this one, but this one is better. Then come here, click on this search featured image. All right, it has been added. So these are product link that it has already given us as an affiliate. If you click on this affiliate section, these are the affiliate links it has already added for you. Okay, it's been added. Then click on the update post. When you update that, then click on this view post. Then let's see it. You can see right here the top thumbnail has been added. You can see right here these are the affiliate product, and if you scroll down right here, you're going to see the gadgets, the tripod, the camera, and all of that. It's published as much content as possible from Google News and from Google Trend. Okay, when you publish that, then you can as well use this particular tool right here. You can as well use this Pinterest tool, which is going to simply help you rank on Pinterest, and use this to drive traffic to your website from Pinterest. All right, so you get traffic from your Pinterest, you get traffic from Google itself, and you make your money. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, and join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in my next video.